hold the brush more to the ground, princess. Oh, the other way. Like that. That. Turn. More. This is how you, okay, hold it like that. Like that. And like that. That's facing up. Now try. See? Much better.
Well done. What do you say to ate? Good job, ate. Good morning, guys. Cleaning a mess in the morning. Happy Sabado. Say Happy Sabado.
I did not achieve it.
Who made a mess?
Oh, yes, it.
Ayla? No, it wasn't ate. I think it was Alo. You want to help ate? Oh, put that in the bin. Kakalat. Good helping. Oh, good job, Alo. Good job cleaning up mess.
Now put it in the bin, Ayla.
No.
Put in the bin, Ayla. I'll do it.
Oh, no, that's fine.
Daddy. Good morning. Blinodry ko yung buhok ko, pero hindi ko like super tinapos kasi ang tagal. Ganito lang yung blow dry nila, yung naka-attach sa wall ba. Yung ganito. Tapos wala ako tali ng buhok. Mahirap tayo kay miss ng tali. And yung aking makeup bag na napakaliit, hindi ko mahanap-hanap. Saan na kaya yun? Baka naiwan sa car. O diba? Hiningal ako, makit lang muna ng stairs. Punta tayong market today. Meron kasing market na mag-open hanggang 12 lang. So parang morning market siya. Dito pala tayo sa Mildura ha. And so far so good. Pero hindi kami sobrang nakapag-explore kahapon. Dito lang kami sa apartment. Enjoy sa kanilang lounge area doon. Laro-laro kami doon. And nag-swimming yung mga bata. But yung labas na nagawa namin is yung kagabi lang. Yung naglakad kami papuntang Vietnamese restaurant. Which was really good actually. The Vietnamese restaurant, they have good food. Hindi lang talaga kami gutom guys. So hindi kami nakapag-order ng mga usual na in-order namin sa Vietnamese restaurant. Your water bottle is there on our bedside table. But masarap dun. Tapos bilis-bilis ng serving. Yung in-order ko kasi spring rolls lang kasi sobrang puno na talaga ng tiyan ko. Alright. You bring your water bottle, I'll bring mine. I'll bring that jacket downstairs as well. I might need it. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalayo. It's Tita Rich, I'm borrowing it. Hiram ko ng jacket kay Miss kasi naiwan ko yung
jacket.
I left it at home. I forgot about it. I knew I'll forget something, huh? I have this jacket. Not the same brand, but same color. But I forgot. Alright, come on.
The orange patch is here.
Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. I found my pouch. What are we doing? I just need to tie. Okay, just stand. I'll tie your hair quickly. Time check, 9:56. Done. Found my pouch. Yung nasa hello to the guys na. And nandito lang yung mga gamit-gamit ko. Maliit lang to eh.
You want my
Ito lang yung
money? No.
essentials. Yung laman nito.
That's my money.
Alright, let's just do sunscreen. Habang hinihintay sila. At least nakapag-cereal yung mga bata. Hindi nga lang naubos, but that's okay. Yeah, just a little bit, huh? Ooh, nice weather outside. Look at it. It's a good day. Is it a good day?
Yeah.
Hello? Look at the weather outside, boy.
Outside?
Yeah, outside. Look, is it a good day?
I don't want to put it in my teeth.
Yeah. Nagdala pala ako nito. Sika Clearing BB Cream. Gamit tayo ng konting konting lang. Parang wala pa atang nagte-text sa akin.
Mommy.
Yung lapit ng alas 10.
Mommy.
Wala pala tayong salamin, ate.
Stop.
You're starving? Babe, your food is right there. You're trying to trick me again? Ang cute nitong maliit na na to kasi kahit ang liit-liit niya may salamin. Ang cute. Liit nga lang ng salamin, but at least may salamin.
You did that to you. Get it.
Ayan, gamitin natin yung maliit na ano natin.
Dildo. Oh no, we
Parang
didn't.
yes style.
No.
Meron akong nagamit dito, binalik ko lang.
Is it?
Kasi walang lalagyan. Asan na yun? Ito. Ang cute niya. Kaya lang mas maganda siguro kung mas maliit pa talaga na lalagyan. Hindi lang oh. Yes style ko. Sobrang liit pala niya talaga. Ready na ni Dan yung mga dadalhin namin. Yung bag ng mga bata. You had a good sleep, Bob? Malab?
Yep.
Ah, sana all. I keep waking up. Indy keeps waking me up to go to the toilet. And ang tagal-tagal ko nakakatulog ulit, naiinis ako. Mas maganda sana kung mas malaki ng konti. Sobrang liit naman ito. Ang tagal matapos ang mukha natin. Is it far from here, the market?
No.
Okay. But we're driving, yeah?
Yeah.
Why are you driving? I think that's T-Rex. It's yucky.
Yucky daw ate.
10-minute drive.
10-minute drive? Alright. Ah, they're here. Good morning! Yan ba yung sinasabi ko? Kahit ang konti lang in-order namin kahapon, dami pa ding leftover. Nice na itong colors yung jacket yan. Alright, naka-jacket na ang lahat because it's windy. So what is it called, babe, the market?
Sun something market. Sunrise.
Sun something, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Because Mildura looks good. Oh. Look at Mildura. Tapos, ang daming shops dito na malapit lang sa kanila. May laser clinic, may Target, may Skechers, Woolies.
Cheapest.
And on this side, that's the Vietnamese restaurant that we went to there. Maganda dito. And marami daw Pilipino dito, guys. So the last time that Dan was here was what? When
I don't know, 15 years ago maybe.
Yeah, sobrang tagal na.
Maybe longer.
Yeah. So ano lang yung buhay niya noon, party, pub. And Mildura is good for that as well. Party.
It was on yeah.
Was, yeah. Dito na kami, guys, sa market. Looks busy. Oh my gosh, ang daming tao. Ha! May mga plants.
Should just park it in here somewhere.
Yeah, sige. Yeah, like what these people are doing.
Hello,
look at the doggy, big one! Napakay cash si Dan. Brad, do you want some? What is it? Doggy! Hindi pala siya ganun kalaki. Hindi ganun kadaming tao ba?
Can we take it up or leave it
We're eating brekkie. Dan's
Take it
got the big farmer's
Take it up, there you go.
breakfast. Akin French toast. Arlo's eating.
Bad luck.
Why? Yeah. Ano sa inyo? Ano ay sausage? Big breakfast. Ah, big breakfast din sa inyo? Kaya na talaga. Nagwawala yung isa kasi gusto niya nga sa doon sa palaruan. Yeah, okay. Huwag na nating sabihin kasi naging okay na una. So sa Arlo gusto niya man maglaro sa palaruan. Isod sad niya Buti na ano siya sa ano. Ha? Dili ang laro. Okay lang. Yummy! Strawberry!
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it? What do you like? This one? What's that one?
It's
What is it?
red.
Bread? Oh,
Yeah.
that one. What do you say to Dada?
Yeah.
Yo. Thank you, Daddy.
Look at you. Yum.
Yum?
Yum. Oh, he likes it. Sausage.
Yeah, they like you.
Ah. Just kidding. It's a prank. Ice cream boy. Ice cream. Watch out, Alo. Mag-zipline daw si Ayla. We got mandarin, guys. Let me see the mandarin, my love. $5. That's a lot. It is a lot. I told you to get the $3 one. Sobrang dami. Ayla's turn. Oh, look at this, babe. Yeah, she holds on.
Really fast. Okay, you hold on properly. 1, 2, 3.
Whee! You're okay. You ask daddy. That was good, princess. Hala. Tapos na kami sa market. And drive lang kami, guys. Oh, park. Apex Park. I'm not sure. We're following Tita Michelle. Hindi pa din kasi sila nakaka-explore dito eh. Kasi hindi sabay yung off nilang dalawa. Ngayon sabay yung off nila. Tapos nandito pa kami. Pa yung ano ko, guys. I have runny nose. Tapos yung mata ko ang pula-pula. Tapos nag-ano siya. Luluha-luha. Sa weather kanina, windy. Hindi ko alam. May river dun.
Look at the bubbles, Ayla. Look at the bubbles.
Bubbles! Dito na naman kami sa shops. Iba naman to. Indian and Filipino fusion. Ano man? Ano? Ano to, pang restaurant man yan, day? Ano pa kailangan? Iniwan namin si Dan at saka yung kid sa car kasi tulog si Ayla. Si Arlo yung gising pa. Ano? Hala, ang laki talaga. Ayaw daw eh. Parat na biyan.
Interesting. That's good.
Is it good? Is it not just water? Is it actually a peach drink?
Yeah. Good taste.
Okay.
Let's
sige.
share. The door's not shut properly as well.
My door?
Good check that.
We got these drinks, guys. They're sparkling drinks. We got 4, so we got different flavors actually. Sissy's got green apple. Michelle's got mangosteen.
Green apple will be good.
Yours is peach,
Peach is
and
really good.
mine is watermelon. So let's try the peach. But look, it's very sparkly. Looks like this, very clear. Akala ko to, flavored tubig lang siya. That's good. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's yummy.
How much was it?
I don't know. Sissy paid for it. Mine is watermelon. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Where is it made? Because it's an Indian and Filipino store.
Korea.
Korea. Alright. They do their drinks really well. Dito kami sa lounge nila, guys. Maganda yung lounge nila dito. Dito kami kagabi, naglaro kami. Now we're back. Kasi si Arlo tulog and nandun si Dan sa kwarto. And yeah, maglalaro kami ng cards. Tong-its kami. Ito, masarap. Ay, hindi ko pa na-try. But yung flavor ni Miss Green Apple na-try ko, masarap. Yung kay Dan Peach, masarap din. Yung kay Michelle Mangustin, masarap din. So ito, masarap din to, sure. And dala-dala namin, salted egg, fish skin. Kain tayo, laro-laro tayo. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng aesthetic ng lounge nila. Look, oh. Hindi pa nakalaro si Dan kasi wala siyang kalaro. But it's nice. Ang ganda. Open sa lahat ng guests. May pa-table din dito. Tapos nandyan yung pool. Ayun. Diyan, naglangoy-langoy ang ating kids kahapon. Tapos may gym doon. And then toilet. Let's go, let's play. Yummy nachos.
So yummy.
Ano to? Less than 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Kasi
May beef pa siya dun, oh. Thank you, Day. Nagsiswimming si Ayla at si Tita Michelle dun, guys. Ang cute. Kanina pa siya, akyat siya dyan, tapos tatakbo siya, tapos magja-jump sa pool. Tapos si Arlo nandito. Nandito siya. Bilis niya kasi lamigin. Malamig kasi yung tubig. Ay, hindi naman malamig yung tubig, no? Pero kapag umahon, saka malamig. Dito lang siya, pero naka-goggles. Tingnan yun naman yung batang bail na yan. Laro lang siya dito. Hello! I like your goggles. So big? Hello, look at mommy. Can I see your goggles? It's a shark. Oh no! Daddy shark tutu dudut dudut.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Ayan si Ayla. Pinupulot yung mga ice. Nalaglag ko yung tubig ko dyan, guys. Natapon yung mga ice. Jump!
It's my T-Rex.
Where's T-Rex? You dropped him. Go get him.
Let's see it.
He's down here.
It's done.
Yeah. Hindi talaga nakaswimming si Dudong. Si Ayla nandun na sa taas, nagre-rinse. Tinutulungan ni Miss.
Not this one. I like that.
Wala si Dan dito, guys.
Bye-bye, T-Rex.
Dan went out. Punta siya ng Coles para bumili ng mga kakailanganin namin. And then, punta siya ng milk tea shop para bilhan kami ng milk tea. Ay. Ang bilis ko na mapagod. As in, ang bilis-bilis ko na mapagod. Hindi ko nga talaga nilagay si Arlo sa pool. Kasi, syempre, kailangan niya magbabantay sa kanya. Eh, ang bilis niyang umahon. Kasi nilalamig siya. So, dinidistract ko siya kanina. Laro-laro lang kami dun sa lounge. Hanggang sa kailangan namin umuwi kasi nagpo siya. Buti na lang, hindi ko nilagay sa pool kasi nagpo. Mas mahirap yun. Anyway, stay lang tayo dito tonight because manunod tayo ng footy. Showdown ngayon, guys, ng Crows at saka ng Port. So, puro Adelaide teams yung maglalaro tonight. And yeah, manunod lang kami dito. So, dito lang kami sa bahay. Diba, hinihingal ako. Makiat lang ako, tapos bumaba. Kasi niready ko yung pajamas ni Ayla. Magpapajamas na siya agay. Kasi nga, hindi naman kami lalabas na. Daddy's home! Pinataway na niya agad kasi baka makita ng mga bata.
I said, give this to me now.
Hey, manners!
Please. Oh, God, please.
I like your jamas. Alright.
Thank you.
Brown sugar milk tea. I think that's the brown sugar one. And this is for Tita Sissy, I think. Oh, wait, I'm not sure. Oh, this is the brown sugar.
That's brown sugar.
Yep, this is the brown sugar. And this is for Tita... Oh!
That's yours.
Huh? Tita Rich. I got the brown sugar. Yeah. You wanna open that? Please?
You want to share this one with me? I got the chocolate one. Do you want to share this one with me?
Kain kami, guys. Banh mi again. Vietnamese restaurant again. Nag-ano lang, take away. Hindi kasi si Dan, gusto niya cold roll lang. Ayaw niya ng fried food. Something light daw. Something light yung kanya.
Oh, again.
Oh, no! Giahak, oy. Lamang yung ano, Crows.
Naasa ako ang jacket, which ako
Busog na busog pa ako
Sige
doon.
lang mo ko yung laman ng nigawas mo.
Sa oras.
Balik ako din.
8:33. Masarap din yung ulam ni Michelle. Ano to, guys? Stir fry beef with
Good.
it's good. With bean sprouts. Hindi ko maubos yung akin. Siguro punong-puno pang ano? Sobrang feeling kasi ng rice. Nakadalawang subo lang ako ng rice.
What are you doing?
Hindi ko na kaya. Ito na lang yung akin. Sabi ko, titikim lang ako eh. Masarap siya. Noodles ba? Gusto ko yung maliit lang na beef. Ay, naku, lamang yung ibang team giahak eh.
Barbecue.
No. It's good.
Got chili, not the chili.
Not to me. It's good, no? Ours is here.
What about Daddy?
She's giving injections. Guys. You heard Daddy. Say, Daddy, be brave.
Be brave. I do it. I do it, baby. Because you are others.
Okay. Out.
I need Daddy play. This is what you told me.
Ooh.
You want to be a section.
Injection here. We go. Out. Ali! Go, run, yes.
One day.
He was always going to get tackled. That guy just sucks.
Oh, no!
That's alright, I was a fool.
Go.
Don't worry about
Okay, do the song ate. Ring, ring, ring.
it. They do 4 goals.
Come on. It's only because I don't have to run.
Okay, you don't have. Ah! Yay! Yeah. We got it. Oh,
He'll
that's
get
good.
best player. as well.
You will?
Right, so this game. You get a medal for this game.
Oh,
That's it.
that was a good one. Ah. Ready? Yay! Come on. Go, Ayla. More than a sport, it's a true Fort Adelaide tradition. So you gonna sleep in the middle?
No, I'm just here.
Where am I gonna sleep? Okay, how about Alo? Alo's with Daddy. Let me find Alo. Alo! Oh, are you gonna sleep there with Dada?
That was tired.
Good night, Alo.
Tired.
Dinosaur. Okay. Good night, Alo. Say good night. Alright, you sleep there with
Thank
Dada.
you, Mom.
You're welcome, Alo. Good night. Love you. Yucky. Okay. Good night, Daddy.
Good night. Yeah.
Eh,
He's gonna move to our bed.
a T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Okay, good night.
Good night, Daddy. Panalo pala kami, guys. We won. Showdown. Good night, guys. See you
I
tomorrow.
got my gun.